What's up? So I don't really know what I want to talk about today, but I'm just gonna start talking and see where that goes. I've been wanting to get back onto posting on YouTube like forever. Like I never really wanted to stop. I just did, and I just never, because I never felt like I had video ideas that were like good enough, or like people would always say like you need your niche and you need to fit into that niche, and I didn't have a niche. Like I wasn't an expert in anything. I was like in high school at the time, and now I'm in college, and it's not, you don't need a niche. Like I should have just like made videos about whatever I wanted, and I liked the videos I made for sure, but I did feel limited on what I could do. But I feel like the internet has changed, YouTube has changed. I'm just watching these videos of this YouTuber that just I happened to stumble upon her video on my like main feed or whatever, and I feel very inspired because she is talking about how YouTube is changing and people are posting videos that are just them sitting like this talking to the camera, and it's not any kind of super edited or like, you know, super crazy thing. Whatever. I hope you get what I mean. It's more relaxed now, and people are growing on YouTube posting those kinds of videos, and so I felt inspired to just sit down and like talk. And I'm literally just in my room. I like didn't do my hair, I didn't do anything. I'm just sitting here rambling basically. I recently posted like 2 months ago my or last month, I'm not sure, my video I made for my history class, and I really liked doing that. It was a lot of fun, and it kind of just made me like remember what it was like to make videos. And so yeah, I kind of just wanted to get back on here. I don't know what the future holds, but you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And I can't grow on YouTube if I don't post on YouTube, obviously. So I feel like I should try, you know? Why not? I've got nothing to lose. I don't think, at least. I don't know what else to say, really. I guess I could do a little bit of an introduction. My name's Courtney. I am in college right now. I live in Seattle. I'm graduating this year, which is exciting and scary. I haven't told my friends about this, so there's that. I don't know how to bring it up. Yeah. I like to read. In high school, I was really into bowling. Haven't done much of that lately, but yeah, I have an internship right now. Yeah, so I kind of just wanted to make this video, pop on here, and see if this YouTuber that I've been watching her videos for, her name's Frankie, I will like add an image or whatever. I'm curious to see if she's right, and if so, what will happen. So yeah, it was nice talking to you. See you next time, I guess.